Hello, I'm Dr. Shell. Most of us are concerned with making sure that we get the appropriate amounts of nutrients in our body. We all need the right amount of nutrients so that we can live a healthy, vibrant, and energized life. It is true that we try very hard to take vitamins and supplements that we might get from over-the-counter. What you need to know is over-the-counter supplements, unfortunately, yield about 15% absorption for an average human being. It's because it has to pass through the GI system, go through the gut and all the breakdown mechanisms that the gut has, and the absorption rate is very low. What if I told you that there was a way to get 100% absorption of very essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? Would that be of interest to you? Well, it would definitely be of interest to me because I know that nutritional status of a human being is key and is the central point of how we feel on a day-to-day basis. In my office, we provide a service called IV Nutritional Therapy. This is something has changed the lives of tens of thousands of people that have put their trust and their loyalty with us as far as their health care. The reason that this makes such a big difference is that all the vitamins that we are able to give them through an IV goes directly into their bloodstream. Now, we're very careful about which IVs to select, and we're very, very careful about where we receive these vitamins and nutrients from. So we only will get vitamins and nutrients from the most reputable sources which are regulated and which go through a stringent number of testing. Once we have these nutrients, we also then customize these vitamins to see which ones are applicable and most needed by specific individuals. So some of the most common IVs that we do in our office that have been extremely helpful, number one is the Myers cocktail. The Myers cocktail has been around for the last 6 or 7 decades, since around the 1950s, and it was initiated by a physician named Dr. John Myers. And he was able to put together a formula that consists of different nutrients such as vitamin C, magnesium, B vitamins, and other such vitamins that treat so many different conditions extremely effectively. It can treat you if you have chronic fatigue syndrome, adrenal fatigue, fibromyalgia, recurring migraines, the common cold, flu, asthma, and many such conditions. The Myers has been a fantastic procedure for most of our patients that really love the results that it gives to them. The other one that is very commonly used in our office are the glutathione IVs. As you might know, glutathione is the master antioxidant that really helps to have our cells fight off different toxins and free radicals. Now, we are constantly exposed to free radicals and toxins in our environment, from the food, from the chemicals, from pollution, and many such things. Glutathione is able to give you the antioxidant needed so that you can strengthen your immune system, fight off chronic diseases, as well as potentially fight off cancers in the future, because we know that inflammation is one of the big sources of chronic diseases as well as cancer. The next IV that we do a lot of is the vitamin C IV that has been shown to make dramatic differences for people in their immune system as well as people who are struggling with cancer treatments or are in remission with cancer. Vitamin C is another very powerful antioxidant that helps us strengthen our immune system to be able to fight off things that our body just is not capable of doing in a normal situation. Another really exciting IV is the skin brightening IV, where we have a protocol where we combine high-dose glutathione with vitamin C. Those together, the antioxidants together, in certain protocols and doses, can actually work with the melanocytes in our body to be able to give us more skin brightening, as well as, in some people, just a brighter, glowing look. There are so many other IVs that we do that are customized for the patients, whether you're looking for more energy, weight loss, just hydration, a little detox, and things of that nature. If you feel like you are interested in getting 100% absorption of the most key vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this may be something that you might want to get more information on. If you'd like to do that, just give us a call or go to my website, drshell.com, and we will be happy to do a personalized consultation with you to see how we can best help you with intravenous nutritional therapy.